Hello everybody, my name is Matic Gaming, and welcome to Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. And this is a game that I'm doing a complete blind playthrough through. I've played the second game, I've played the remake of the first, which should stay pretty true. I'm hoping this game lives up to my expectations, because the second one is setting them pretty high. But hopefully we have a lot of fun playing this game. And I literally just finished downloading it, and I can't wait. This is like one of my all-time things. Like, ever since I was little and I played the second one, I've been waiting to play this game so badly. And just everything I've experienced. But anyway.
Devours your mutant swamp fly. Yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing? Check and mate. What? That's cheating!
On the contrary, the rules clearly state that the Blargian Snagglebeast has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that last 2 turns.
Ooh,
oh, it's the old characters from the second game. Market Casino, 12:31 a.m. What?
Is extraordinary, sir. But do you lose as gracefully as you win?
I would not know, Maximilian. I never
Ooh.
lose.
There is a first time for everything. Agent Clank!
Uh-oh! I did play Secret Agent Clank though, as well. And I played Size Matters as well.
So, famous secret agent.
Bring the car around, Jeeves. And mind the ejector seat this time.
Stay tuned for more Secret Agent Clank.
Oh, I love his laugh.
That was terrific.
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
But the man said to stay tuned.
We continue our live coverage from Belden. Just
Belden?
hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Tyrannoids. Officials believe that an evil robotic supervillain known as Dr. Nefarious is the mastermind behind the Tyrannoid attack. As you can see,
But
the
he's
Galactic
dead.
Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Dog Ratch, Channel 64 News.
But,
We're going home.
yes, we are.
My Velden is in the Solana Galaxy. Oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive. The one you built from Blargian scrap metal. Coming, we are doomed.
You were saying?
I stand corrected.
I just hope we're not too late.
I've completed the other 2 games before this as well, and I really, like, this series holds a deep thing in my heart as, like, my second favorite game ever. Shadow of the Colossus is coming up on that as well, so.
Greetings, Client
Don't
91802, and welcome back to the Solana Galaxy.
These must be the Galactic Rangers.
It's an insurgent. Huh? Hey, Sarge, you can have my gun. There's too many of them. We're all gonna die.
Thanks for the gun, bro.
To fire your shot blaster.
I also know what I'm doing when it comes to these games, so I'm not terrible at these games. I haven't played it in a while. Like, the last one I played was the remake, and that's on a different controller, but controllers usually stay the same, so I should know how to do it.
To see you, Sarge. We're pinned down by the enemy vehicle. Somebody
me guess. That somebody is me.
We got a volunteer. Here, Sarge, take this. I'll cover you. Come back there.
Gee, thanks.
Try using the nitro launcher against that vehicle.
Do I go down or up? I'm guessing up. Nope. Okay. And when I was downloading the Ratchet and Clank games, I was thinking between a game I haven't played and the other two that I have played. And I chose this one in favor because I thought for my channel, I want a Ratchet and Clank game to be something that we all experience. And sorry for the glitchy textures as well. This is a emulator and an ISO, so it's going to be a little wonky, but we should be fine. Good God, the world's lagging! Just load the textures in, goddamn. Nope, those are not ammo boxes. But yeah, as I'm saying, like, I really adore this series. It's one of my favorites, and when they went into the future series, that's when I lost track, but I've been back on track since then, and I've gotten probably about halfway through a cracking time, on the PlayStation Now network, actually, and, I never, like, beat it, but I did definitely play a good chunk of it, and God, heck. And also remember, this game is huge. Like, this is gigabytes large for the PlayStation 2. So if something doesn't load in right away, don't judge me. Judge the ISO for not getting it correctly off the disc. And I don't want to really re-download this stuff.
To go in and take him out. F-sector? No way. Game over, man. We're all gonna end up as scrap metal.
Get back in there, Trooper. We've got a planet to save.
Sir, yes, sir.
Alright, let's get this over with. Let's save Belden in my garage, Daddy-o. God, at least keep the ship textures in place, thank you. Hey.
Stay frosty, people. The Nords could be hiding anywhere.
And I've heard good things about this game as well. And that's another reason why I'm playing it. And I want to defeat the original PlayStation 2 trilogy, so that's why I'm also playing through this, because yeah, I really love these games. Like, I can't say that enough. And I will probably defeat as many of them as possible on this channel. Even with glitch-crafted graphics. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful right there? Quickly! Velden's falling apart! And I truly don't care if these graphics are, like, lagging out. Oh, yay!
Your weapon has upgraded.
That usually doesn't happen very fast, but alright.
Used frequently.
Those termites.
Hold circle to charge up the shock blaster for a more powerful attack.
Can't do it. But yeah, I'm also recording this fairly late as well. This game is like, it took probably about 2 hours to download, so. Well, where do I go? And it should also go without saying that this game has updated graphics as well. Boom, boom, boom!
To strike
Oh god. I suck at this game as well, so don't judge me. Like, I'm good, but I suck. If that makes any sense. What happened to the original blaster we got in the past 2 games? That thing's awesome. And these episodes might be a little longer than your average episode that I usually make, because this game, as I've said, is much bigger, and it's probably going to be a planet per episode, so why did I do that? He wasn't a bad guy. He wasn't a bad guy, man. He just wanted to help. I'm also thinking of starting up going commando at some point. Like, I'm also trying to keep this... I'm trying to spread out my stuff as much as possible. Like, I don't want to overrun you guys with the same stuff over and over and over again. And I've actually just gotten past the 3rd Colossi in Shadow of the Colossus, and I'm thinking I might continue that series. Just restart it, but I kind of want to do it later when I'm more in my groove of YouTube. Yes, yes, I'm here to destroy your dropships and help the good guys. Woo! Taste explosion, sucker.
Sir, we have a transmission from the president.
How are things on the front line, soldier? Is that secret Agent Clank?
Greetings, sir. We're here to help.
Well, this is an honor, and I see you brought your chauffeur along.
What? No, hold on a second.
Agent Clank, we must stop Dr. Nefarious. As you may know, only one man has ever faced him and survived. I've just received a top secret report on that man's whereabouts. Here, take a look. On tonight's episode of Nature's
Oh,
Mysteries,
God.
we examine the Florana tree beast. Deep in the dense growth of
No, not
Florana's John
Quark.
forest lives a mysterious creature. Or maybe he doesn't. It's one of nature's mysteries.
I seen him run right through our camping site. He was buck naked, screaming and holding a banana. Or maybe it weren't a banana. It could be.
One of nature's mysteries. Legend tells that this mysterious creature is actually one of the greatest superheroes who ever lived. Shamed by his recent past, he is now one of nature's mysteries.
Okay, you can stop saying that now.
Find out the answers. We need you to find this man. The fate of the galaxy may depend on it.
Are you sure this is the guy you're looking for, Mr. President? Yeah, he seems like kind of a, wacko.
You may be right, but he's the best chance we've got. I know you boys won't let me down.
You can count on us, sir.
Yeah, and by us you mean me, because I'm Ratchet, and Ratchet's the one doing all the work. You just help me hover, Clank. Not that I'm saying that's bad. There's plenty of other guys like the Banjo and Kazooie. No, they're out of stock by this point. You get my gist. There are people out there that have this stuff for variety of situations. Oh, that's cool. Plasma whip. That is neat. I want the plasma whip. I've only got 10,000. Ooh, I can buy the plasma whip though. I want the plasma whip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Plasma whip, mate. Let's do this. Oh, that's awesome.
Your controller can be configured with multiple button maps, including a map that places the fire command on R1. To change to a different button map, press Start, then enter the Options menu and
I do
select
not
Controls.
get our Siri. Early made version of Siri. It's like where Apple got their idea for Siri. It's just like, oh, let's just do that. Now, boom, boom, boom! Take my blaster! Fire my laser! Which, by the way, I'm also not 100%ing this game. I'm just, you know, playing through it casual, like I'm gonna do with pretty much every game on my channel. I need more help!
You can reverse the camera controls in the options menu.
Whoop. Really, 2 health. That's so helpful at this point in my adventure. Okay, yeah, that does. Was Secret Agent Clank already out by this point?
Run, then press R1 and X at the same time.
I don't know. Yeah, I did. Oh boy, this is gonna be a long day, ain't it? Okay, let's go. I might also start up like a bunch of series, and not continue it for a while, just for the sake of, I like doing different stuff, and that also leaves options for me on stuff that I want to continue in the future. It doesn't just leave me.
It multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
Oh, well, ain't that nice? Give me my money! I used this to repair thine ship! Donkey, have you found me money? Nah, Shrek! I do a pretty good donkey impression. Not to toot my own horn, but I suck at this stuff as well. Kinda wish I had a PS3 at this point, because there's a lot of like HD remakes of that stuff out now. For like this sort of stuff and other junk. Wow. Why you hit me, bro? I thought we were buds. We went to college together. I went to school with you. What are the odds? What are the odds? Go in, fire in my laser! Thank you. God, I need that.
You can climb the ladder by jumping onto it and pressing X until you reach the top.
I'm gonna take my plasma with that. I'm gonna slash you. Which also, Clank's thing is great for just certain shooting platformers. Don't judge me for taking bolts out of people's crates. See what I mean? How I'm great at this game? It's kind of like in my blood at this point for the amount of Oh, that's awesome! For the amount of times I've played this game, it's not even funny how many times I've played the second game. Like, we got our PS2 from our neighbor who owned it previously, and the person who lived at the house that we rented had a PlayStation 2 previously, and he left this game and his PS2 at his house, and Rich had already, or at least my dad had already had games for the PS2, and he got rid of his PS2 beforehand, so getting a new one was very nice actually, because we actually had stuff to play this on. And I had a PS2 gamer. I had a PS2 gamer too. I know it's kind of confusing, but I had a game or two on that system actually from my childhood when I was a wee tyke, and I played the living crap out of Crash Bandicoot 3. Up, 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 yep. Feel great. Take my rage of fire to your face! Anything else around here? No. Okay, let's go. Can I? Oh yeah, the old wrench and slide. Ooh. Cutscene? I have a feeling there's a cutscene here. Oh god. At this point in my life, I deduce that Alright, well I think this is the best time for me to leave off on this episode, because I just died and I've already gone through quite a bit of the intro. But this is Ratchet and Clank 3, Up Your Arsenal. If you guys want to see more, please smash that like button and comment down below. Same with Shadow of the Colossus or anything else I've done on the channel. If you want to see more, smash the like button, view it, whatever, leave a comment. And yeah, I'm going to record the next episode right after this one, just for the fact of I'm really enjoying this game and I want to keep playing it. So anyway guys, I'll see you dudes in the next video. This is Matic Gaming, signing out.